Remove the bearing cap from the chain side of the rear wheel assembly. Using a flathead screwdriver, carefully unclip the C-ring at the end of the axle and remove the bearing. Next, remove the bearing cap from the opposite side. While holding the rear wheel in place, unscrew the 2 bolts that hold the brake system in place, then remove the bearing. Slowly lift the wheel from the wheel assembly and slide off the brake system. Remove the axle bearing and gear from the rear wheel and slide it into the same side of the axle of your replacement wheel. Place the brake system over the rotor of the replacement wheel and insert it into the frame. Slide the bearing onto the brake side axle and use pliers to replace the C-ring. Reattach the brake system to the wheel housing, then reattach the bearing cap. Replace the bearing and the C-ring on the opposite axle, then reattach the bearing cap.